Hi, I'm Bill. I'm a certified electrician, and today I'm going to show you how to install a 2x4 lighting panel. Let's put on our safety glasses, our work gloves, and what's this? A head-mounted camera. Let's do it. Now this 2x4 lighting panel has selectable wattage and selectable color temperature. Today we're going to select 6000K and 60 watts. All right. So as you see, we have a 2x4 opening here in our drop ceiling. It could get a little crowded in a drop ceiling. You got ductwork, ceiling rod, so you're gonna wanna angle it in, move it past the T, and then drop it down. Sometimes you'll have to wiggle the ceiling grid a little bit. It actually dropped in real easy, and we're flush with the ceiling grid. Now it's time to get wiring. Oh! Is it like a cheesy? Welcome to the ceiling. Here we are, peaceful confines of the drop ceiling. As you can see, we have our 2x4 lighting panel that we just placed in our ceiling grid. You can see over here, we have our junction box. For this install, I'm using existing wires, 2 pieces of MC cable into 1 connector. It might look different at your install. We're gonna work with this. I'm gonna take my Phillips screwdriver. Now I'm doing this up here, but you can get this prep down below when you're on ground level. And par for the course here, I'm over a duct. You're always gonna run into something in a drop ceiling. That's why it's a drop ceiling. I remove my junction box cover. I'm gonna pop a knockout that I know I can reach with my MC cable. I'm gonna go with this one, put my flathead in here, twist, pull it off. Cool. I've got a 3-way splice for this pigtail that's gonna actually hook up to the light. So I'm gonna remove these wire nuts. I fed my wires through the knockout. I'm gonna push it into the connector. And there we have it. All right, so now we have our connector pushed into our junction box cover. Now, you can see we have our hot, neutral, and ground. I'm gonna hook up ground first. Line the copper up, righty-tighty, give it a little twist with the pliers, the wire nut on, righty-tighty. I'm gonna go neutral, white to white. And finally, our hot wire, the black to black. I'm gonna cut a little bit off there so it bites nice and even. All right, I'm pushing down and righty-tighty. And I'm gonna give all my wire nuts a little tug to make sure they're not gonna pop off. You can see here, we have a purple and pink for our 0 to 10 dimming. We're not gonna hook that up today, but it is an option on this fixture. Oh, now is a fun part. We get to try to fit this all in here. Now this is a crowded one for this fixture. You'll see in 4 corners, we've got these clips that's gonna wrap around the ceiling grid. You can bend them up to a right angle, and then bend them over the ceiling grid. You could even push them a little further so it grips nice. So now that we have our clips mounted in the 4 corners, one thing to note is depending on your local code, you may need to add pencil rod kitty corners, just like we have on the ceiling grid here. But for today, we're gonna leave it as is. And there you have it. We're wired up and secured. Let's go turn it on. Nice. Okay, light it up. And there you have it, one clean and simple panel install. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more electrician tips, and I'll see you on the next one.